There is one everyday habit that quietly speeds up muscle loss as we age, and most people never realize it is happening until strength and balance are already fading. This habit does not cause pain, it does not feel dangerous, and it often feels completely normal in modern life. But over time, it can quietly drain your muscle strength, your energy, and even your independence. The habit is prolonged sitting, spending long hours inactive, day after day, without enough movement to challenge the muscles. Muscles are living tissue, and they depend on regular use to stay strong, responsive, and well supplied with blood. When muscles are not used often enough, the body begins to break them down, especially after the age of 45. This is why simple movements like standing up, climbing stairs, or carrying groceries can slowly become harder. The loss happens gradually, so the brain adapts, and many people assume it is just normal aging. The good news is that muscle loss from inactivity is not permanent if addressed early. Muscles respond quickly when they are asked to work, even with simple daily movements. Standing up and sitting down repeatedly is one of the most powerful ways to activate leg muscles. These muscles protect your hips, knees, and lower back, and they play a major role in preventing falls. Even light resistance, done consistently, sends a powerful signal to the body to maintain muscle tissue. You do not need intense workouts to protect your muscles, but you do need regular movement. Breaking up long periods of sitting throughout the day is just as important as exercise itself. Standing or walking for a few minutes, every 30 to 60 minutes, can make a measurable difference. Consistent movement also improves circulation, joint health, and overall confidence in your body. Muscle strength supports independence, not just today, but for years to come. What you want to avoid is long, uninterrupted sitting without any muscle engagement. Relying only on occasional exercise while remaining inactive the rest of the day limits progress. Small choices repeated daily have a greater impact than rare bursts of effort. If you want to protect your muscles, start by moving more often, not harder. Your body responds to what you ask of it at any age. Start today by standing up more often, walking a little more, and respecting your muscles. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more practical guidance on staying strong and healthy as you age.